There she goes, Catwoman.
Hi! Salute everyone in the room.
Wow, well prepared.
Hello, good evening, good afternoon, good morning to all of you.
Well
I'm gonna
prepared,
sing
guys.
Autumn Leaves, the jazz version. So
Good
here goes.
luck, Miss Catwoman.
Thank you. The falling leaves drift by my window. The autumn leaves are red and gold. I see your lips, the summer kisses, the sunburned hands I used to hold. Since you went away, the days grow long, and soon I'll hear old winter song. But I miss you most of all, my darling. When autumn leaves starts to fall. Since you went away, the days grow long, and soon I'll hear old winter song. But I miss you most of all, my darling. Autumn leaves starts to fall. Yes, I miss you most of all, my darling. When autumn leaves starts to fall. Thank you. This song is dedicated to my dad. My father influenced me in music, and this is for him.
Well, congratulations, Catwoman. Thank you so much.
Thank you for the gifts and for all my supporters. Mama mo.
More pa.
Thank you.
Hintayin mo silang mag-drop.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Sorry I can't see the comments, but I'll try to read it later.
Drop pa more, Kelly babe. Come on.
Thank you.
No more na. No more? Okay.
Thank you.
Next.